Welcome! Are you looking for the best kitchen gadgets? Great! Because we select for you the best kitchen gadgets on Amazon and AliExpress. These amazing kitchen gadgets will save you a lot of time. If you want to buy any, just click on the description link. These gadgets will make you a real master chef. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Casey Davidson, founder of Toadfish Outfitters, and today I'm going to show you how to properly use our new Frogmore Shrimp Cleaner. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the blade cover from our patented butterfly blade. What that does is butterflies the shrimp as you peel and devein it. So the first thing I'm going to do is insert the tool right below the shell and slide the tool straight towards the tail till I'm about halfway to 3/4 of the way through a shrimp. Then I'm going to switch my hand to the top side of the shrimp and push the tool towards the tail while I slide the shrimp towards my other hand. That's going to keep my hand out of the way of the butterfly blade and also allow me to quickly peel, devein, and butterfly a shrimp.
Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day, but it's also the one that's most often skipped. Rushed mornings don't leave much time for preparing breakfast. That's where the dual breakfast sandwich maker comes in. Drive-thrus in the frozen food aisle offer easy breakfast sandwiches, but those can have questionable ingredients, so you're never quite sure what you're getting. Now, with the Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker, you can make 2 of your favorite sandwiches with your own fresh ingredients at home even faster. It's great for families because everyone can have a custom sandwich in minutes. Just choose the bread you love, English muffin, biscuit, bagel, or even pancakes. Then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plates out, and you'll have 2 hot, toasty, perfectly assembled breakfast sandwiches ready to eat or take on the go. Cleanup is easy too. All the removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and the cooking surfaces are non-stick. It's the perfectly simple way to make 2 delicious and nutritious breakfast sandwiches. Now that's good thinking. Rushed mornings don't leave a lot of time for preparing breakfast. That's where the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. Now you can make a sandwich with fresh ingredients from home in under 5 minutes. Just choose your favorite bread, then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plate out and you'll have a perfectly assembled breakfast sandwich. Cleanup is easy. All removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and cooking surfaces are non-stick. A nutritious breakfast is possible with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Now that's good thinking.
Novice and experienced chefs alike are sure to love the Amazon Basics 12-piece colored knife set. The set includes a paring knife, utility knife, santoku knife, carving knife, chef's knife, and bread knife. The color-coded system not only looks great, but helps easily distinguish knives to reduce the risk of cross-contamination during food preparation. The durable stainless steel blade holds a sharp cutting edge for safe, efficient use, while the color coding creates a non-stick cutting surface that helps prevent food from sticking to the blade. And the ergonomic handle promotes a secure and comfortable grip. Brighten up your kitchen with the Amazon Basics 12-piece colored knife sets.
Everyone should have a complete set of stainless steel bowls in their kitchen. They help you cook with passion, bake to perfection, prep to go, whisk, beat, and serve your dreams. The set consists of 6 nesting stainless steel bowls, ranging from 3/4 quart up to 8 quarts, sized for every task in your kitchen. Our stainless bowls are food safe, environmentally friendly, and superior to glass because they weigh much less, and unlike glass, they will never chip or break. The high-quality stainless steel matte finish doesn't show fingerprints on the exterior and always looks great. The wide rims are designed to be gripped easily and make it simple to pour ingredients. The bowls have broad, flat bottoms for stability and a wide, shallow profile for easy tossing and mixing. You just throw them into the dishwasher when you are done. And when you are ready to put them away, they stack nicely and take up very little space in your cupboard. If you are looking for a new set of kitchen mixing bowls, you just found it.
See this? It's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-in Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware, and it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-in Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.